A food additive is a natural or synthetic substance which is added to food to prevent spoilage or to improve its appearance, taste, or texture. Food additives that are commonly used are preservatives, flavoring, thickeners, antioxidants, stabilizers, and dyes. Preservatives are substances added to food to slow down or to prevent the growth of microorganisms so that food can be kept for longer periods of time. Some preservatives can cause side effects on health. Sodium nitrite is added to meat to preserve and to stabilize its red color. However, sodium nitrite can cause stomach cancer. During cooking, the nitrites produce nitrous amines which are carcinogenic. Eating too much food preserved with salts such as salted fish increases the risk of high blood pressure, heart attack, and stroke. Eating too much food preserved with sugar can cause obesity, tooth decay, and diabetes. Sulfur dioxide may cause asthma and allergies in certain people who are sensitive to this additive. Antioxidants. Food containing fats and oils can turn rancid. That is, the fats and oils are oxidized to become unpleasant smelling acids on exposure to the air. All foodstuffs are vulnerable to oxidation. Examples are the browning of apples or potatoes exposed to air. Antioxidants are added to food to prevent oxidation that causes rancid fats and brown fruits. The use of BHA and BHT has been controversial as it has produced adverse reactions in dogs. Thus, there is a restriction on the amount of this antioxidant use. Vitamin C and E are among the safest antioxidants known because vitamin C inhibits the formation of carcinogenic nitrous amines, stimulates the immune system, and protects against chromosome breakage. Vitamin E neutralizes free radical compounds before they can damage cell membranes and help to reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. Flavorings are used to improve the taste of food and restore taste lost due to processing. Examples of flavoring are sugar, salts, vinegar, monosodium glutamate, aspartame, and synthetic essences such as pentyl ethanoate. Food colorings are dyes. Food processing often leads to a loss of color. Food dyes are used to add or restore the color in food in order to enhance its visual appeal and to match consumers' expectations. Food dyes can be classified into natural and artificial food dyes. Artificial food dyes are usually used because they are more uniform, less expensive, and have brighter colors than natural food dyes. Many food dyes are azo compounds or triphenyl compounds. Azo dyes have colors such as red, orange, and yellow, whereas triphenyl dyes have colors such as blue and green. Tarotrazine, a yellow azo dye, is used in orange drinks, custard powder, sweets, and apricot jam. Tartrazine is believed to cause hyperactivity in children. Brilliant blue FCF, a blue triphenyl dye, is found in beverage jellies, confections, and syrup. It can be combined with tartrazine to produce various shades of green. Many food are actually emulsions. Emulsions are either oil droplets suspended in water or water droplets suspended in oil. Stabilizers are substances which help to prevent an emulsion from separating out. Stabilizers are used in food which contain oil and water. Examples of these foods are margarine, butter, ice cream, and salad cream, such as mayonnaise. Examples of stabilizers are lecithin, mono, and diglycerides of fatty acids. Thickeners are used to thicken food. Acacia gum can act as a thickener as well as a stabilizer. The advantages of using food additives are they make the food stay fresh longer, look nicer, and taste better. And they make seasonal crops and fruits available throughout the year. The disadvantages of using food additives are some of the food additives are associated with disease like cancer, asthma, allergies, and hyperactivity. And some food additives make the food less nutritious. Before an additive is used, it must be approved by the government. Food additives are never given permanent approval but are continually reviewed and modified or withdrawn when necessary. Thus, food additives can be considered safe in our diet.